Hey guys, my name is KB and you're watching KB'Tech, and in this video I'm gonna unbox the Realme latest budget smartphone, that is the Realme 6. Before I proceed further, let's see what's over the box. As you can see, there are a bunch of specifications mentioned over the box, such as it comes with Helio G90T processor, it comes with 64 megapixel quad camera setup, and it do support 30-watt flash charge, and it comes with an in-display selfie camera. So without wasting any more time, let's just quickly unwrap the box. Let's just quickly break the seal of the box and see what's inside the box. Also, I would like to tell you that this is a 4 gigs RAM and 64 GB variant, and there are two variants available for this device. I will tell you later in the video. And inside the box there is a paper case. Let's just keep it aside for a while. And here is our device. Let's just quickly take it out of the box. And other than that, we have a 30-watt fast charger with the Realme branding over it. And other than that, we have a type C cable and nothing else inside this box. And as I told you, it comes with a paper case, and inside this paper case we have some paperworks. And other than that, there is also a soft TPU case with a good quality. Let's just keep everything aside and let's just focus on our device. Here is our device. Let's just quickly unwrap it and take it out of. And before booting up the device, let's just quickly talk about the design. It comes with 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with a punch hole camera, and on the back we have a quad camera setup which comes with 64 megapixel primary lens, 8 megapixel ultra wide lens, 2 megapixel macro lens, and 2 megapixel depth sensor for portrait shots. And on the bottom we have a type C port along with 3.5 mm audio jack and a secondary microphone and audio grill. And on the right hand side we have a fingerprint sensor mounted, and on the top there is nothing. And on the left hand side we have the volume rockers and a SIM card tray. So let's just quickly boot up the device. Till the time device is being booting up, let me give you a physical overview of the specification of this device. This device comes with MediaTek Helio G90T processor, which is a hardcore gaming processor and is somewhere equivalent to Snapdragon 730G, and it comes with advanced GPU as well. And if I talk about the camera, this phone comes with quad camera, and other than that there are two options available for this phone. One comes with 464 and one comes with 128GB storage variant. Other than that, this device comes with two color options. One is comet blue and one is comet white. And if I talk about the battery, it comes with 43 milliampere of battery which can last up to 2 days, and you can charge this phone at a high speed of 30 watts. As the device is being booted up, let's see what's inside the device. This device runs on Realme UI, which is close to stock Android, but it do come with some clutter data. As you can see, there are a number of clutter applications pre-installed in this, although you can uninstall them, but it comes with bloatwares. And other than that, let's see on which Android version this device is being running on. Let's just quickly go into the system settings, and here you can get the overview of the device specification. As I told you that this is the 4 gigs and 64GB storage variant, and here we can go and we can check the Android version. This device is being running on Android 10, which is the latest version of Android, and it is on Feb 5 security patch. And this device comes with 16 megapixel front facing camera, and it's a punch hole camera. And also let's see how much storage is available for the usage out of 64GB. Let's just find out quickly in the settings. And as you can see that you get approximately 52GB out of 64GB for the usage, and you can expand it via SD card. Also, this device comes with 90Hz refresh rate, and we can switch between different refresh rates. As you can see this, now it is on auto select, but yeah, we can set it to 90Hz. Now it is on 90Hz, and you can see that it is so smooth. And now if I set it to 60Hz, now the animations are a bit slower as compared to the earlier we saw. So the advantage of using 90Hz refresh rate is that the animations and everything become smoother, but at the same time it will consume more battery. So it's up to you whether you want to use 90Hz refresh rate or 60Hz refresh rates. Also, let's see how fast is the fingerprint of this device. I've already set up my fingerprint on this device, and as you can see, it is quite fast. I can't see any lag while unlocking the device, and it is good at this price point. And also I would like to tell you that this comes with a plastic body, not a glass body, so you need to be careful regarding the scratches, and I would suggest you to use a case for the phone. And company also provides a TPU case inside the box, so you can apply that as I have applied it. You can see this, so it's look good. If I talk about the price of this device, then for the base variant, the price is rupees 13,000. And if you want more RAM, more storage, then you can buy a high-end version of this device, which comes with 6 gigs of RAM and 128 GB onboard storage, which will cost you rupees 15,000 rupees. And if I compare this device with other devices available in the same price segment, then this device has few plus points over those phones, such as it comes with 90 Hz refresh rate, which you will never see in any other phone in this price segment. Other than that, this device comes with 64 megapixel quad camera setup, again which is highly appreciable. And it comes with a very powerful processor, that is MediaTek Helio G90T, which is a good processor for gaming as well as for daily tasks. And according to me, this phone is perfect for this price segment, and I really like this phone personally. So that's it from my side, guys. If you like this video, do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.